asked you, how do you accomplish a goal? And you said, one I know is saying, oh yeah, you won't have time, it's not possible.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what made me, I wanted to prove him wrong, and I did.
I didn't say
Too much injera.
አዎ ደግሞ የበላሁት እንጀራ እና ብዙ እንጀራ በልታ ነው የሚለው። ሰላም የአገሬ ልጆች፣ ሃፒ ኒው ይር።
ሰላም መልካም አዲስ ዓመት 2026
የ2026 በፈረንጆች እንግዲህ እና ዛሬ ባለፈው ዓመት ለማድረግ ያሰብናቸው ነገሮችና ፍጻሜ ላይ የደረሱትንና ያልደረሱትን እናወራለን እና አሁን ጥያቄ ጠይቀዋለሁ ባሌ። So what was your resolution of 2025 and what you achieved or what we achieved as
what
a
have
couple?
we accomplished?
Yeah, what we accomplished.
Oh, what have I accomplished? Well, New Year's resolutions. My whole life, with friends, family, we always speak about New Year's resolutions.
Yeah.
And every year we think of a resolution, and I think I never ended up even remembering what it was and achieving it. But for the first time in 2025, last year, I had a resolution, and I actually accomplished at least half of it, because it was a very ambitious resolution.
Yeah. ብዙ ጊዜ የሆነ ነገር አደርጋለሁ ብዬ ሳላደርገው ቀር ነበር እና በአሁኑ ዓመት ባለፈው ዓመት ማለት ነው ያሰብኩትን ነገር ለመፈጸም ችያለሁ ነው የሚለው። What was it?
So for me it was to finish 10 artworks.
Yeah. ለኔ 10 የአርት ማለት ላይክ እንደ ስዕል ማለት ነው። እሱም መጨረስ ነበር 10 አለ and so far.
So I almost finished. It's just the detail of 5 artworks, large artworks, which are A0, large size artworks.
Yeah.
Which you've seen.
Yeah. You did how much? You said
5 of them.
አምስቱን ጨርሻለሁኝ። 10 ሳይሆን አምስቱን ጨርሻለሁ አትሊስት ነው የሚለው።
So it's first time that I actually had a New Year's resolution which I remembered, and that I accomplished, as it was ambitious, 10. At least I'm really happy I finished 5 of them, almost, just the last details. So I think we're gonna have another resolution, I hope. So what was your resolution?
ያንቺ resolution ምንድነው? Yeah, it was to write my biography, and it took me like 9 months, and I did it. Finally, it's published.
Exactly.
So thanks to you also.
You even started a second one.
Yeah.
So finally
it's
worked
more than
out.
what I thought. የኔ ደግሞ የህይወት ታሪኬን መጻፍ ነበረ። 9 ወር ነው የፈጀብኝ። 9 ወሩን ጽፌ ታትሞ ማለት ነው። እንደገና ሁለተኛው መጽሐፌን ስለ ህይወቴ ታሪክ ሳይሆን በሌላ አይነት አጻጻፍ እሱን ደግሞ የጀመርኩበት አመት ነበር። በጣም መልካም አመት ነበር፣ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። Yeah.
So I asked what her resolution is. Actually, I wasn't sure if it was a resolution, but I just discovered tonight that she did have a resolution, and it was of writing her first book, her biography. And she actually finished 4 months early, much earlier than me.
Yeah. And then I started also in French. እና በፈረንሳይኛም ጀምሬ ነበር። በእንግሊዘኛ ጨርሼ ታትሟል። በፈረንሳይኛ ጀምሬ ገና አልጨረስኩትም፣ ግን በአሁኑ ሰዓት ደግሞ በእርግጥ ሰዎች ቢተረጉሙልኝ ደስ ይለኛል፣ ግን ሰዎች ከሚተረጉሙልኝ በአማርኛ ራሴ ብጽፈው ነው የምፈቅደው። ማለት ደስ ቢልም ባይልም ራሴው በማስበው ሁኔታ ራሴው መጻፍ ነው የምፈልገው በአማርኛ እና እሱን ለመጀመር በአሁኑ ዓመት በአማርኛ ለመጀመር ነው ያሰብኩት። ማለት መጽሐፌን ራሴ ለመጻፍ ማለት ነው፣ ለመተርጎም ማለት ነው የእንግሊዘኛውን። my goal for 2026 sorry 26 is that to translate my own book to Amharic.
Yeah,
I mean,
very
I prefer
important.
to translate it myself than
It's like
other
rewriting
person.
the book.
Exactly, because first of all,
Completely.
it will help me, like, for me to heal again and again. And second of all, I mean, like, no one can understand my feelings in each step of my life as myself.
Yeah.
So I thought that I will write it down by myself, whether it's perfect or imperfect. Sometimes imperfection is perfection anyways, right?
Yes, exactly. To be authentic.
Yeah.
And writing now in Amharic
Yeah.
is like, because you've been telling me,
Yeah.
it's like almost like rewriting the book, because the expressions are completely different, right? And there's no you could have a translator, but he will not feel what you felt. There are ways of writing which really translate what you really felt.
Yeah,
right?
what I
So-
saw, what I have been going through,
And it's gonna be like
everything.
a 600-page book instead of 300 in it, because of the
because
words.
አማርኛ በጣም ረጅም ስለሆነ ማለትስ ላይክ እውነት በጣም መልካም ሰዎች እኔን ለመርዳት ሞክረው ነበር። መልካም ሰው ትራንስሌተር አገናኝተውኝ ምናምን ማለት ነው። እና በጣም እያሰብኩበት ነበር፣ ምክንያቱም ይሄ ልቦለድ አይደለም። በጭንቅላቴ ሳስበው ልቦለድ አይደለም፣ የራሴ እውነቴ ታሪክ ነው። ስለዚህ ራሴ ነኝ ሪስፖንሳቢሊቲ መውሰድ ያለብኝ ስለ ራሴ ታሪክ እና እኔ ስለነበርኩ በቦታው የነበርኩት ስለ እኔ ስለሆነ የሚያወራው መጽሐፉ ራሴ በራሴ ብጽፈው ሞር የተሰሙኝን ስሜቶች በዛ ሰዓት ምናምን ሞር ኤክስፕረስ ማድረግ ስለምችል የፈለገውን አመት ቢፈጅብኝም ራሴው በአማርኛ ለመጻፍ የወሰንኩበት አመት ነው። እና በዚህ አጋጣሚ አንድ ሰው ብቻ ሳይሆን ሁለት ሰው ነበሩ በጣም ልተርጉምልሽ ብለው የኮንታክት ያደረጉኝ። በዚህ አጋጣሚ ከልቤ ነው የማመሰግናችሁ። በእናንተ በኩል ምንም ችግር የለም፣ ግን በእኔ በኩል ደግሞ እኔ እንደማስበው ከሆነ ራሴው በራሴ ብተረጉመው ነው ጥሩ ብዬ ስለምገምት ነው። እግዚአብሔር ይባርክልኝ እላለሁ በዚህ አጋጣሚ። You know, two people contacted me about the translation.
Yes.
It's kind of them, but I think that I decided to write it myself, you know.
There will be more soul into it,
Yeah.
into the words, into the translation.
Yeah.
Probably.
And this is
So you know something, I was thinking about New Year's resolutions. What are New Year's resolutions? And me personally, I was thinking that it's probably something that we have wished for years,
yeah,
which we haven't accomplished. Something that is outside of our work and of the day-to-day deeds.
yeah,
And for us, it's really something that we've carried in our hearts. For me, it's my artistic side, and for you too.
yeah,
And somehow for you, it heals you, and it makes you kind of, it heals you and it makes you advance in your life.
yeah,
And feel like when you have this creative side, it's appeasing.
yeah.
Because that's what I feel also.
Yeah, I feel like I'm detached from my past totally. and I don't want to live again that life. So as if I was being the I don't know how to say, before the butterfly.
Yeah, you were the caterpillar.
Yeah, and now I'm a butterfly,
And
so that I fly freely.
It's a metamorphosis.
Exactly,
Yeah.
and I feel like I'm relieved, and I turn the page.
You're freed from all the weight.
The
of your
weight,
past.
and I don't know. You become so weak, and it hurts in daily basis if you keep your suffering inside your heart, like instead of taking it out. At the beginning it feels like it's painful to.
Yeah, it made you sick even.
Yeah, it made me sick when
You had to stop during 2025 you stopped like for a month and a half of writing. I was trying to encourage you.
Yeah.
But you were stopping, and I realized it's because it was stirring up those old memories, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, translate that.
And በመሃል ስጽፍ ልክ እንደ እንትን ማለት ነው፣ እንደ ቢራቢሮ ከመሆኗ በፊት ማለት ነው። ከዛ በኋላ ግን ያው ክንፍ አውጥታ ማለት ትበራለች። ልክ እንደዛ ነው የተሰማኝ መጽሐፉን ከጻፍኩ በኋላ። እና ልክ ማለት ታሪካችሁን ያሳለፋችሁትን መጥፎ ሰዓት ወይ በጽሁፍ ወይ በመናገር ካላወጣችሁት በእኔ በኩል ማለት ነው በጣም ከሚገባው በላይ እኔን ቀስ በቀስ እያጠፋኝ ነበረ። ላይክ በጣም ከሚገባው በላይ እየጎዳኝ ነበር። እና በምጽፍበት ሰዓት መጽሐፍ ሲጀምርና መናገር ሲጀምር ታምሜ ነበር ለአንድ ወር። እሱ የሚለው ለአንድ ወር ከግማሽ ምናምን ከዛ በላይ አቁሜ ነበር ስጽፍ። እና ከዛ በኋላ ነው እነሱ ኢንካሬጅ አድርገውኝ ከጻፍኩ በኋላ የእውነት ህይወቴ የበፊት ህይወቴን እንደገና መመለስ አልፈልግም። ልክ እንደ ተከደነ መጽሐፍ ነው የሚሰማኝ። እና በጣም 2025 በቃ ነፃ የወጣሁበት አመት ነው ብዬ እገምታለሁ።
So yeah, I think it's actually really great because for the first time I accomplished a New Year's resolution. I mean, I accomplished half, so it's better than nothing. And it's good I would say it's good to set your goals for the New Year's resolution high.
Yeah.
You want to translate?
የአዲስ አመት እቅዳችሁን ማለት ከፍ አድርጋችሁ ከፍ ያለ እቅድ ብታደርጉት ጥሩ ነው የሚለው። ማለት በትንሹ ሳይሆን በቃ ከፍ ያለ ሆኖ
That's way, at least even if you don't accomplish it all, you will have accomplished a lot.
በደንብ ሁሉንም ሙሉን ያንን ላይ ያሰባችሁትን ነገር ሁሉንም ባትፈጽሙ እንኳን ትንሽ ስትፈጽሙ ደስ ይላችኋል ነው የሚለው።
And we were speaking earlier.
Mm-hmm.
And I asked you, how do you, now this is the next thing, how do you accomplish a goal? And you said, just start.
Yeah.
And that's the most difficult thing to do, is just to start.
ስጠይቅሽ እንዴት ማድረግ እንችላለን፣ እንዴት እንትን ማለት እንችላለን፣ ማለትስ መፈጸም እንችላለን ያሰብነውን ነገር ለአዲስ አመት ብዬ ስጠይቅሽ ጀምር እና ያልሽኝ። እና በጣም ከባዱ ነገር መጀመር ነው አለ። አዎ መጀመር፣ በቃ ማንኛውንም የምታልሙትን ነገር የፈለገው ይሁን መጀመር። አንድ ነገር ጅማሪ ካለው ፍጻሜም አለው እና መጀመር። if something I mean when you start it you're gonna finish it anyways. You should just start.
That's the most difficult thing, is to start, because you have all these things to prepare your material, you have to organize your head basically. And then once you start, it starts to become addicting. When you finally start, you can't stop.
አንድ ነገር ስትጀምሪ ማቆም አትችይም ነው የሚለው። እኔ እውነቱን ነው መጽሐፍ ስጀምር ያው ቁጭ ብዬ እጽፋለሁኝ።
And for me it was difficult to start again. I mean, my aim was to start a new collection of art. And it was difficult to start because I had to get, find the right material for what I wanted to do this time.
Yeah. ለኔ ከባድ ነበር ለመጀመር ነው የሚለው። ምክንያቱም ማቴሪያሎቹን ማግኘት ከባድ ነበር ለኔ ነው የሚለው።
But so just start. So that's the first thing.
Yeah.
And then the next thing is I've always I had heard before in my life that and I thought the same, like many people, that when you already have a job, children, it's impossible to do something that you have a passion for. For example, in our case, it's something for which we have a passion.
Yeah.
And I think finally it's wrong. It is possible.
Yeah.
You just have to really organize your day.
Yeah.
And I think that even with my job and the children, the family, it's always possible if with some discipline to put in 1 or 2 hours, whether it's at night or in the morning or at midday, to just do some more of what you're doing.
Yeah. ልጆች ቢኖራችሁም ቤተሰብ ቢኖራችሁም ስራ ቢኖራችሁም በቀን ውስጥ የተወሰነ ሰዓት መወሰንና መጀመር ትችላላችሁ ነው የሚለው። Yeah.
And then you're really proud once you start advancing. And one thing that was really disturbing me is that I heard from someone I know saying, oh yeah, you won't have time, it's not possible.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what made me I wanted to prove him wrong, and I did.
Yeah.
I proved him wrong that it is possible.
Yeah, and ማውቀው ሰው አይ ጊዜ አይኖርህም አትችልም ስላለኝ በሱ የተነሳ ነው እኔ ደግሞ ያንን ሰው ትክክል እንዳልሆነ ለማሳወቅ ብዬ ጀመርኩኝ ነው የሚለው።
You have to find the flame, this flame inside that will bring you this energy. It's really just a mental, it's not physical, it's mental.
ያንን ልብ ውስጥ የሚነዳውን እሳት ማግኘት ነው እና የጭንቅላት ነገር ነው እንጂ ማለት እንትን በቃ የአይምሮ ሴትአፕ ነው እንጂ የፊዚካል አይደለም ነው የሚለው። ይቅርታ እሺ ድምጼ ዘመዶቼ ከክሪስማስ ጀምሮ የሆነ ጉሮሮዬን ነገር አሞኛል እንደገና ግን ያው በተቻለ መጠን አዋራቸዋለሁ። You see, it's broken my voice.
Oh yeah.
I have
you're a little bit sick, yeah.
Sorry. ቆንጆች ድምጼ ጎረመሰባችሁና
too much injera.
ደግሞ የበላሁት እንጀራ እና ብዙ እንጀራ በልታ ነው የሚለው እሱ።
But
and you too, you
yeah, me too. I feel guilty. One last thing that that we were thinking about is when you have a goal, which is great to have individually, but also as a couple, when you have a goal, encourage each other. Because I noticed that when there's always a time where you are discouraged and you feel like you're not really advancing like you would like to in your engagements. I mean, in your New Year resolution. When I had your encouragement, it really helped.
Yeah.
And then I realized I can give you also this encouragement for your book when it made you feel down.
Yeah.
It didn't work immediately, but it was eventually working for you.
እርስ በርሳችሁ ተረዳዱ፣ እርስ በርሳችሁ ሞራል ተሰጣጡ፣ ኢንካሬጅ ተደራረጉ። ምክንያቱም በጣም አስፈላጊ ነው። ለምሳሌ አንቺ እንትን ስቲ ተስፋ ስትቆርጪ እኔ አበረታታሽ ነበር። እሱንም እንደዛው የሆነ ነገር ላይ ቆይ ነገ ምናምን ሲል አበረታታው ነበር። እርስ በርሳችሁ ተበረታቱ። እርስ በርሳችሁ ከተበረታታችሁ የምትፈልጉትን ነገር ላይ ለመድረስ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ባልና ሚስት እርስ በርስ ከተረዳዱ ማለት ነው።
So it feels great when you accomplished something, I accomplished something. I encourage anyone who's not already doing that to try this, because maybe I'm sure you guys have heard also about this New Year resolution, but have you really achieved it? I don't, me, I never did.
Comment ላይ ጻፉልን እሺ leave it in the comment what
you think
achieve in 2025.
What did you achieve?
What did you regret about not doing?
Because I think one other thing I wanted to say is I think everyone should think back in their lives when they were children. What was your dream? What was it you wished for? And I think you've had something that you wished for. I had something that I wished for. And I think whatever your age, you can still do it. You can find time with discipline and you can do it. And I encourage you because I'm feeling that it's possible. And you felt that it's possible. So I say congratulations to you.
Congratulations to you too. ስዕሉን we can show them your art one day. I mean like
when the time comes we can try.
Exactly. When you are ready. I mean when you are ready to.
We will see.
So that was our our last year.
Yes.
What we did, and the other things is that we also have you.
Yes.
Last year we found you, and we had our subscribers, you. And,
that's true. That wasn't expected. That wasn't a resolution.
But we are so thankful.
Somehow it brought this channel together. Your resolution to write your story.
መጽሐፌን ከጻፍኩ በኋላ የመጽሐፌ መንገድ ነው ከናንተ ጋር እንድተዋወቅ ያደረገን በጣም ትልቅ ስጦታዎቻችን ናችሁ። ስለእውነት ከሆነ ብዙ ፍቅር፣ ብዙ ምንድነው የሚባለው ድጋፍ፣ በቃ በጣም ከሚገባው በላይ በቃ በመናደርገው ነገር እንድንቀጥል ያደረጋችሁን አንዱ ፓርቶች 2025 እናንተ ናችሁ። ሰብስክራይበሮቻችን በጣም ነው የምንወዳችሁ። right? We love them. They are really so sweet.
Yes, we love you. Thank you for all your messages and support. And yes, we love you, and we are looking forward to see you and respond to your messages more. And I say congratulations for your.
Yes, but just I want to say that we found also a lot of friends, like YouTube ብዙ ጓደኞች የሆነ ልብ ጓደኛ እንድናገኝ ያደረገን ነው። We create, we have a good contact.
A great community.
A great community, right? People, from different countries.
People seem to be worldwide connecting with the story that you have. And the family that we have at the same time. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We love you so much, and we are so a little bit not energetic because of the
injury.
No, because of all the feast. በጣም ድክም ብሎናል። ምክንያቱም የሆነ ከዓመት በዓል በኋላ ልጆች ምናምን በቃ እንዴት ነው እንደገና ደግሞ የሆነ የብርዱ ሰዓት ነው መሰለኝ ትንሽ ህመሞች ምናምን እና ብዙ በኢነርጂ አላዋራናችሁም እንዳንጠፋ ብለን የመጣ ነው። ሃፒ ኒው ይር ልንል በጣም ነው የምንወዳችሁ።
Don't worry, I will take care of you.
Thank you.
So congratulations for your New Year's resolution.
Yeah,
So
congratulations.
you have a new resolution, right,
Yes,
for
but
this
I
year?
will keep it for myself.
Okay, me too.
Cheers, babe.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year again.
Happy
Yeah,
New Year,
Happy
guys.
New Year. እንወዳችኋለን.
See you soon.
See you soon. Mwah.
Ciao.
Ciao.